Welcome to FluentUp English. Today, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. This is a very important skill. You use it when you meet someone new, start a conversation, go to a class, or travel to another country. Let's begin with a simple story. My name is Emma. I am 25 years old. I come from London, the capital of the United Kingdom. I live in a small but comfortable apartment with my best friend, Sophie. Sophie is kind, friendly, and also a student like me. We study at the same university. I study English and history because I love reading and learning about the world. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth, take a hot shower, and eat my breakfast. I usually eat toast with jam, a boiled egg, and I drink tea or orange juice. Then I walk to the university. It takes about 15 minutes. I enjoy walking in the morning because the air is fresh. At university, I attend my classes. I listen to the teacher, take notes, and sometimes talk with classmates in English. After class, I often go to the library. I like the library because it is quiet and I can focus. Sometimes I meet my classmates at a small cafe near school. We drink coffee and talk about our lessons. In the evening, I return home. I cook dinner with Sophie. We both like cooking pasta, rice, or sometimes soup. After dinner, we watch a movie, listen to music, or talk about our day. On weekends, I usually go to the park or visit museums. I also like taking pictures and writing in my notebook. Now, let me tell you how I introduce myself to new people. When I meet someone new, I smile and say, "Hello, my name is Emma. What's your name?" If the person says, "My name is Anna," I say, "Nice to meet you, Anna." Then I ask, "Where are you from?" Anna says, "I am from Italy." I reply, "That's great. I love Italian food." After that, I say, "I'm from London. I live in the city center." I also ask, "What do you do? Are you a student or do you work?" Anna says, "I am a nurse." I say, "That's a very important job. Thank you for your work." Then we talk about hobbies. I say, "In my free time, I enjoy reading, walking in the park, and cooking new meals." "What about you?" Anna says, "I like painting and listening to music." We continue talking, and sometimes we become friends. One day, I met a man named Mark. He is from Canada. He is 32 years old and works as a chef in a restaurant. He said, "Hello, I'm Mark. I'm from Toronto." "What's your name?" I said, "I'm Emma." "Nice to meet you." Mark asked, "Are you a student?" I said, "Yes, I study English at the university." I asked him about his job. He said, "I cook Italian and French food." I said, "That sounds delicious. I love pasta and pizza." He laughed and said, "Do you like cooking?" I said, "Yes, but I need more practice." We both laughed. After the conversation, we said goodbye and wished each other a good day. Another time, I met a girl named Yuki from Japan. She is 20 years old and studies art. I said, "Hi, I'm Emma. Where are you from?" She said, "I'm from Tokyo." I said, "Wow, Tokyo is a beautiful city." We talked about our favorite colors, favorite foods, and what we like to do on the weekend. I learned that she likes drawing and playing the piano. I told her that I like reading and going for walks. When we meet people from different countries, we can learn so much. It's fun, and it helps us practice English. Now let's talk about how you can introduce yourself. You can say simple sentences like, "Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Turkey. I am 28 years old. I work in a hospital. I like listening to music and watching football. Nice to meet you." These are easy but very useful sentences. You can use them at school, at work, when you travel, or when you meet new friends online. Let's practice again. Say your name, where you are from, your age, your job, and your hobbies. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn a new language. What's important is to try. The more you practice, the better you become. You can also ask questions like, what's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? These questions help you continue the conversation. When someone answers, smile and listen carefully. People like it when you are friendly and interested. Now it's your turn. Can you try? Think about your answers and practice speaking. You can talk in front of a mirror or with a friend. If you practice every day, soon you will feel more confident. Congratulations! You have learned many useful phrases today. Thank you for listening to FluentUp English. Keep practicing. You are doing a great job. See you in the next lesson.